Now I'm going to show you how to download the video from NVR. So first we are going to select the menu. The first is the playback. We can select the channel and after that select the date, and here is the video, recorded video. So we can, if zooming, so we can cut from there. So we can use the switch time actually I want. So first I select the start point using the scissor, and after that I need an end point. So after selecting the end point, we can click the end points. This time is selected already. Now I need to download this selected file. So click save. Just select the video and click backup. So this is the pen drive and click confirm. We have another way to backup the video file from NVR. So we can go to the backup option and then we can select the channel, and after that the which date actually we want. So if we select today, yesterday, and we can also select customize, and there is a lot of options over there. So I want to download the yesterday video and then search. We need a verification. Okay, so after entering the password we can select confirm, and here is the lot of video from yesterday. So we can select the particular file actually we want. There is the start time and there is the end time. So which particular video actually we want, we select the file and click backup. There is the pen drive information and confirm again to download. So now the video file is downloading into the pen drive. So now click confirm. So file is downloaded. Now I'm going to show you how to download the video from web browser. So first we are going to open the source config tools. Okay, so this is the NVR IP address. Double click over there. Input the NVR password. Then login. After logging this NVR, go to the playback. Okay. Then click the download manager. Okay. So first we are going to select one by one. Here is the channel number, which channel video we want actually, and the start time and end time, and search. After searching this is the recorded video, this is the start time, and this is the end time. Which video actually we want, we can select over there So we are select this particular video file, and after that click start download. The video file is downloading now. After completing this, yeah, the download success. Okay, so how can you open that? There is the URL. Click here to open this file. Yeah, this is the file. This is the actual one. Thank you for watching this video.